gonna be $10 each. So you got 8.
What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Benny, back at it again. Today I got an air filter for the G35. We're gonna see if it fits. There's an Apexy. It has a little bolt pattern in the back, and I noticed that the G35 has this little bolt pattern in the back, so I'm gonna go ahead and try and see if this fits. If it doesn't, oh well. If it doesn't fit, oh well. I saw these, I decided to see if it worked, try it on. So if it doesn't, oh well. We'll see how it goes. Not everything goes as planned all the time, so this was like a fail. But it was whatever. I wanted to try it because I saw that, because I got an air filter for it. I got a new one, and then I saw the little thing it had. Because look, it looks like, so this is the one from the Apexy. See how it looks like it, and the one from the car looks like it too. So I thought, why not try to see if it'll fit? You see, it's almost like they're almost identical. So I was like, let me try and see if it'll fit. But the holes don't line up properly. I couldn't do it. Oh well. You guys, this is for sale online. Check it out on my website. Links in the bio. Might as well plug it while I'm here. You know what I'm saying? Well, we gave it a go. Also, you guys, I do want to give a quick update on the harness thing. It's all in the trunk. I got it all off from the front, so there's no more harness running. Oh, I could kind of, the harness isn't here now. It's all in the trunk. There's only 2 more plugs that I need to unplug, which are one that's, I'm assuming it's the for this ship, the license plate light. The other one, it's somewhere over here. I don't know what it's for exactly, but I'm gonna have to take off the bumper. Not looking forward to it, but yes. I also have a couple other things that I need to fix. One is being, so I might have found out why it was shaking now. So the car would shake once you get up to like 80 miles per hour or so. And one day I was out here, you know, doing my thing, working in the car as per usual, doing an oil change actually, and I found this. Let's see if you guys can see. Oh, there we go. Do you see that? That is not supposed to be like that. That is the fuck, I literally have the name, I forgot it. The Tyrone. I don't think it's Tyrone. No. I can't remember. I forgot the name. But yeah, that was broken, so maybe a little bit more of a cause as to why it's shaking so bad. Also, the wheel bearing is out, so, well, it's not out, but it's going out, so that might be another reason. Reasons after reasons. Just give me my 13th reason.